I'm related to them in nung nalaman na lang namin dahil we were not even I did not even know them. No one was living here na until when I was born. Iba na yung mga nakatira dito. You know, it was one of the biggest house talaga here in Malolos up to this day. So that's why we wanted to call it a palace.
Hello po, mabuhay. Welcome to Palacio Real de Santo Niño. Ito po yung CR namin.
Hindi naman siya masasawang umano dahil iba-iba yung style ng room.
Ayun, makita niyo po dun sa ceiling namin. May meaning po siya.
Yung design po nung siya chandelier.
Ibig sabihin po nun is...
Ito yung pinakamahal.
Yes po. Walaan niyo sir kung magkano.
Wala ako.
Yes po.
Nasa 40.
Lower.
Lower.
Lower. 30 plus.
Lower.
Eto sir. Worth it naman po yung view dito.
Kaya naman pala.
Ayan po, lahat ng view talaga andito na.
Hello po, mabuhay. Welcome to Palacio Real de Santo Niño.
We had our grand opening last June 28, 2025.
So kaya pala ganun katagal ang restoration ng bahay na ito. Kasi very masinsin at talagang pinag-isipan nila yung bawat
Yes,
set
sir.
na ilalagay nila. Hindi lang yung basta i-restore lang ano.
This is the ground floor lobby
The
po.
ground
It can
floor.
cater up to 60 packs.
Very nice. Ang ganda.
Ito po yung pinaka-ground floor lobby po namin.
Okay.
And this is our reception area po.
This is the reception.
For check-in guest po. Tapos actually sir, ito po yung conference room po namin. Usually po, yung mga meeting place po is dito. Good for 15 packs po. Yung kayang i-accommodate po nito.
Good for 15.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ayun na si sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Sige lang po. Ang ganda. Very masinsin, ano?
Oo.
Kaya naman pala. Ngayon, di na ako magtataka kung ba't siya inabot ng almost 5 years ang restoration.
Yes po.
Kasi talagang napakasinsin.
Actually sir, ito din po yung isa sa... Hindi naman po sa kakaiba po dito. Ito po yung CR namin. Para siyang secret na...
Hindi siya
kasi hindi mo
noticeable.
akalain na may pintuan
So
talaga.
kapag ka may guest, they're asking where's the
So,
comfort room. Tapos nagugulat sila na ayan pala yun. Kasi yung
Ito po yung
pinaka-design,
CR ka.
pinag-isipan din.
Oo. Hidden door.
Yes.
Tawag, no? Ganda. Modern. Ang galing ng door, ah. Gusto ko yung idea niya.
Then sir, as you can see, this is the vault po na ang owner is si Chadora Reyes po, na may name din niya. Original po to, na andito na po talaga to.
Actually sir, nasa 5 to 6 katao yung
Ang kailangan
bumuhat.
Yes po,
Para
dahil
lang
solid
mabuhat
talaga
siya.
yung bigat niya. This is the hallway po, where we have 5 rooms po in ground floor.
Of 5 mo.
Yes, sir.
Sa pakita ba?
We have 4 deluxe room and then 1 twin room po. In room 101 po, as of now, we have guests po kasi. So, what I can show you is the room 102 to 105.
Okay.
As of now, hindi lang po siya naka-set up since may kaka-check out lang din po kami na guests.
Oo.
But to give an idea, this is the deluxe room here in ground floor. The 4 deluxe room po, magkakaiba po siya ng layout. So, yung guest, kahit magbalik-balik siya dito, hindi naman siya masasawang umano dahil iba-iba yung style ng room. Opo, tapos yung room 101, the first room here in ground floor po, same layout siya, mas spacious nga lang yung una. More on, ano to kasi to, yung kapis window.
Oo.
The price of the deluxe room is 8,700 and breakfast included na rin po.
Okay, not bad.
Complete amenities na rin po. Then we have mini rep. Then, kumpleto na po talaga siya.
Oo, ready na. Ito ibang ano naman po.
Yes po. So, the difference between room 102 and 103 is the ano po, yung layout and then yung kapis window. Kung napansin niyo po sa room 102, mas malaki yung kapis window niya. Dito naman po is ito lang.
Oo,
So, depende talaga siya sa preference ng guest ko ano yung gusto niyang ano, room. room type ng deluxe.
Oo nga, no. Para next naman na-visit ko dito ako ulit.
Opo.
Pero ayoko naman na doon.
Yes
Gusto
po.
ko ibang room na.
Opo.
Ito po yung deluxe room and we have the twin room po.
Ay ba, twin na
Yes
ito?
po, sir. This is 10,200 po.
For 2 adults and 2 children po.
Okay.
And then if they want to have 4 adults check-in, the other 2 adults will be charged po. But the breakfast is good for 2
Included
packs po.
pa.
Yes po.
Good for family po.
Oo, for family talaga siya.
Actually, this room, sir, is good po siya for seniors and PWD kasi mas malaki po yung area nung sa doors niya and then yung dito sa CR. For those who are asking po na anong room yung okay for senior citizens. Then the last room here in ground floor is the room 105, which is the deluxe room po.
Pang ano naman ito. Mas malaki na to.
Yes po.
For couple pa rin.
Per couple, sir.
Pag nandito ako, para akong nasa 5-star
5-star
hotel
hotel.
ito sa Pilipinas, like BGC or
Yes po.
Makati, no? I think na Bulacan ito, di ba?
Yes po.
Meron na silang ganito dito sa...
Yes, sir. This is the first heritage hotel in Malolos.
Oo, yes, tama. First heritage
Yes
hotel.
po.
Sa second floor naman, how many rin naman sa ganun sila?
In second floor po, we have 6 rooms and then makikita rin po natin dito yung second floor lobby.
Yung makita nyo po dun sa ceiling namin, may meaning po siya.
Yung design po nung siya
Yung design po.
chandelier.
Ibig sabihin po nun is dagat, bundok, tsaka yung araw po.
Araw po.
Ah, I see. Ang galing naman. Ang galing. Sino nakaisip ba?
Actually, si owner po, si Sir Mix Tenco Bautista. Lahat po actually ng design at all, halos idea niya po talaga lahat.
Oh, very nice.
Welcome to second floor lobby po. This can cater up to 70 packs naman po kapag may small events. Then the first 2 rooms po dito sa gilid. The room 201 po is the deluxe room also.
Okay.
Actually, sir, nagka-event na po kami dito yung wedding. So, more on wedding events din po yung dito sa second floor.
Dito sa...
Na,
Oh, pero may capacity lang.
opo,
Pwedeng marami.
opo.
Yes po.
Intimate wedding, mga ganun po.
Intimate, yes.
Pasok po sila.
Oo.
Then birthdays.
Oo.
Ganun. No, last time po na we had event here, nasa 100 packs siya. Ang ginawa naman nila, pinaghati nila. Pares nilang nirentahan tong ground floor lobby tsaka yung second floor lobby.
Mas okay yun.
Opo.
Yes.
Para hindi lahat nandito sa taas.
Opo, para hindi sila siksikan dito.
Totoo. And dito how much naman? Same lang din.
Same po.
Same lang
All
din.
deluxe room po is 8,700. Pero ayan po yung dating butika.
But actually, gagawin po siyang restaurant po. And events place din po.
Yung baba po is magiging restaurant. Then yung taas, events place naman. Na makikater niya po up to 250 packs.
Tawag po dito sa restaurant na to is Las Mujeres po. Tapos we're planning po na magkaroon po ng indoor swimming pool po. Tapos yung pinaka-plano po nito is parang magiging, pwede pong parking, tapos pwede din po siya magkakaroon din ng fountain na itatayo dun sa gitna. So, madami din po ideas talaga.
Oo,
So, pwede din po siya for shoot. Yung mga
Yes.
wedding prenup, ganyan.
Las Mujeres.
Which is
Ibig
the
sabihin-
20 women of Malolos po.
Grabe, syempre, one of the owner pa rin ang nakaisip ng pang.
Yes,
Yes
po.
po.
Actually, lahat ng idea at all galing po talaga sa kanya.
Then the second room po is the room 202, the superior room. Opo, nag-iisa po siyang superior dito sa hotel. Sumunod po sa deluxe.
Sumunod sa
The price of this room is 9,600 per night. Pagka po we have wedding guests po, ang pinipili ni bride is ito, para nakakapag-ayos siya dito, tas si groom naman nasa baba. Hindi sila nakikita muna.
Oh, syempre.
Actually, sir, yung view po dito is yung garden po. Ito po siya.
Parang fully booked yata kayo.
Yes po, fully book po talaga kami.
May follower sabi niya, nagpunta sa mga dyan.
Opo, nag-isa.
Naka-stay dyan.
Naka-stay
First
po.
Gusto daw niya kasi isa sa mga pumula.
Opo, punuan po talaga. Dami na pong nagpapareserve. Yes.
Tapos, sir, ito po yung access din dito. May stairs po dito.
Access going to?
Going
Garden
down
po.
Okay. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumaba sa kabila?
Yes
Opo.
po.
Yes. Ito na nga
Yung stairs po na makikita nyo sa labas, ayan po yun.
Perfect din siya for mga debut, ganyan.
Oo,
Tapos dyan mag-e-entrance.
Very nice. Grabe. Impressive.
Si Ma'am Janet po, housekeeping of Palacio
Ah,
Real.
hello. One of the housekeeping.
Yes. Then the other staff of Palacio Real po, si
hello
Sir
po,
Mon
thank
and
you.
si Sir Ernie po,
Yes,
the head
our
chef
chef
of
po.
Palacio.
Hello po.
Then si Ma'am JM po and si
Ay,
Sir
yes, of
Charles.
course. Hello po sa inyo.
Sir?
Inaayos pa.
Opo, may naayos. Ito, sir. The other deluxe room here in second floor lang.
Another deluxe.
Yes po.
Area room. Kompleto siya sa amenities.
Yes po.
TV, meron kang mini ref.
Mini ref,
No?
Wi-Fi po.
Wi-Fi, may tele.
Then complimentary bottled waters.
Yeah. Power na kayo. So, wala kayong kailangan dalhin pa.
Kompleto na po.
Ano sila rito?
Then sir, the next room is the room 205. Deluxe room din po. Yes. The other deluxe room po. Ayan. Queen size bed po. Then good for 2 packs. Breakfast included.
Isa sa amin.
Yeah, the
Dito
last
po
room
sa
here
second
in
floor.
second floor lobby, the twin room. Twin room po.
Twin room. And good for 4.
Yes po.
Diba? May asawa kayo and meron kayong dalawang anak, pwede. Kung apat kayong magkakaibigan, pwede rin naman,
Pwede
diba?
po.
Kasi apat kayo,
Yes
no?
po. 10,200
Ayun,
po.
10,000.
Ang pagkakaiba po niya sa deluxe room is, kung mapapansin niyo po, yung mga twin room namin is walang kapis window. Ayun po. Ito po ba'y kakaibang ano?
Dito po yung papuntang presidential po. Presidential suite.
Left side ng bed.
Actually, ito po yung pinaka-masters po. Yung pinakamalaki.
Pinaka-masters.
The expensive po.
Ito yung pinakamahal.
Yes po. Walaan niyo sir kung magkano.
Wala ako.
Yes po.
Nasa 40.
40 plus.
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Ayun pa.
Lower.
Lower.
Ano or 30 plus?
Lower.
20 plus?
Yes po.
20,000.
20,000 po. Lucio po, name po nung son owner.
Lucio.
Yes.
So, Lucio room.
Then this is the receiving area of the presidential. Dito po sa receiving area, dito po yung powder room. Ito yung mga coffee sets.
Pinakataas
Is yung room
is
po.
yung bedroom.
Yes po.
And this is good for
2 packs din po, but if they want to add another packs, they can request extra bed po.
Opo.
Actually, sir, yung unang nagbinyag ng residential na to is yung nag-wedding po dito, yung nag-intimate wedding.
really? Dito
Ito
siya
po yung, yes po, dito sila nag-stay sa presidential.
Oh, nice. Wow, buwan naman.
Opo.
Bathroom nila.
Yes.
May bathtub ba dito?
Yes,
Yes po.
sir, tama po.
Kaya presidential po talaga.
Yun kasi
Nag-isang
nasa
bathtub.
isip ko eh. Pag presidential may bathroom
Yes
dapat. Kaya naman pala 20,000. Yeah.
Then ito sir yung isa sa view po dito. Pag nag-stay po
Ang
kayo.
kagandahan po dito sa presidential, lahat ng view makikita niyo.
Kuha mo na
Yes.
kumbaga. Nasa iyo lahat ng view. Ito na ba yung pinakataas? O may taas pa?
Yun po yung akitin natin mamaya. Yung last deck po.
Okay. Wow. Hello Sir Migs, magandang umaga po.
Hello, hi, Sir Fern. The original owners, attorney Hermogenes San Agustin Reyes, and the wife, Chudora Chongson Tantoco. They're the original owners. They said na the house came from Bulacan pa. and was transferred here to Malolos 1904. But no documents would show that transfer. But the design of the house, kung makita mo, meron talagang may mga butas, may mga daanan na would say na it would not have been the original design. Magugulat ka na lang na bakit may pinto dito but it goes nowhere. So we were thinking, and even my previous architects and even our historians here in Malolos na who was saying na galing nga sa Bulacan to, that there was an original design of the house before being transferred to Malolos.
And sabi ko nga kanina, kaya pala ganun katagal. Very intricate. Hindi lang siya yung basta ni-restore mo lang.
Opo.
Ang lahat ng corner, lahat ng mga interior ay pinag-isipan, no sir?
Yes, sir.
And hindi pa rin mawawala yung pagka-heritage theme niya.
Wala.
No?
It's all that, we just tried to enhance it and put luxury into it. Well, if you would count it, Hermogenes, the children, tapos I was able to communicate this with Apo na. Apo na yung nakausap ko dito. So, there's 4 generations. Yung, third generation kami nagkausap-usap with the last administrator of the family. I'm related to them nung nalaman na lang namin dahil we were not even I did not even know them. No one was living here na until when I was born. Iba na yung mga nakatira dito. So, nakita ko lang, there was a family tree here. A family tree that was showing na yung great-great-grandparents ko is sibling of Hermogenes. So, we're related in one way. We're family. Pero yun na nga, dito, we negotiated lang that we are to honor the family and also na bigay din sa amin yung management ng bahay.
Yeah, totoo sir.
Yes.
And congratulations sir.
Thank
You
you.
did a great job.
Thank you po, sir.
Restoring this house.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm sure kung nabubuhay po yung inyong great-great-grandparents, I'm sure they were very happy. No sir?
Yes, I would really, really assume that. Lalo na nung opening nga, binabanggit ko yan. If we can love those elders, those ancestors natin that we have not even met up to this day, if we can love them, how much more we can love others, diba? The people that we get to share our lives with. Ang ganda ng kwento na yun. Kaya if you would see we called it Palacio Real de Santo Niño. It was one of the biggest houses talaga here in Malolos up to this day. So that's why we wanted to call it a palace. And Real is synonymous to Reyes, which is the family name of the original owners, which is also synonymous to royalty. Kaya Palace of Royalty. Yun yung namin. But you would see also, if we showcase this to the public, it's Palacio Real de Santo Niño at Hermogenes, San Agustin Reyes, and Chodora Chongson Tantoco Ancestral House. So we would really want always to preserve the original owners, how they did this beautifully before, and how we could also translate it to the generation today.
Oo nga.
So, diba? Kaya Palacio also is also a double meaning for my son. Pala means blessing, and Sio is the nickname of my son, Lucio. Kaya Palacio.
Nice.
Tapos my wife would really want this as a showcase of our love for our son. My wife, EJ, yes. Kung iisipin, sir, talagang we will have this registered, accredited sa Department of Tourism. Not just a bed and breakfast, but we will try to really showcase it as a full-fledged hotel. Now, we will qualify as at least sana 2 to 3 star hotel, given today's resources that we have. But eventually, we'll have a swimming pool, gym, spa, and a restaurant of our own. Diba? Because in this place, we really want na yung pangarap namin na sana itong ginagawa namin makita ninyo bilang isang piraso ng langit dito sa lupa.
Maraming salamat sir.
Thank you, Sir Fern. Thank you. Kay YouTubero.
Yes po.
Yes.
Makakadaan.
Ang exciting part po dito yung paikot.
Oo nga eh.
Pahabaan ng pasensya.
Mag-video lang.
Bago na po to, sir.
ito.
Opo. Dinagdag na lang po ito.
Ang galing ng pagkakaano ah.
Ingat na lang po, sir.
Sige. Boss, istorbo lang sir ah. Bago na itong stairs paakyat. Pero before, ano yung paakyat dito?
Wala po siya. In-extend lang po.
Okay.
Hanggang second floor lang po siya dati, tas nilagyan lang ng third to fourth.
Okay. Gets ko na. Akala ko original na ito ng... Hindi pala.
Eto, sir. Worth it naman po yung view dito. na
Kaya
makikita.
naman pala.
Ayan po, lahat ng view talaga andito na.
Actually, sir, perfect to sa mga wedding proposal, mga ganyan. So, ito na po yung view na makikita nyo.
Nakikita na natin yung Malolos Cathedral.
Especially sa mga New Year countdown, perfect din po siya.
Tama.
Yung view po na to.
To sum it up, we have 14 rooms in total. We have 8 deluxe room, which is 8,700, 1 superior room, 9,600, and then 2 twin room, 10,200, and then the presidential po, the 20,000, and then the 2 suite room na 13,500. Yes, we do have Facebook page po. If you want to have early reservations, you can contact us po in Facebook page.
Maraming salamat.
Yes po.
Aileen.
Yes po, Miss Aileen po. So, what are you waiting for? Book now.
Oo, book na. Sir JC, thank you ah.
Yes po. Thank you so much din po, sir.
So original daw ito, galing talaga dito sa bahay na ito. Niretain lang nila, ni-restore. So lahat.
Tatlo yan. Tapos, halos lahat ng kahoy dito, lalo na sa second floor, ginamit namin yung flooring ng araw. Inayos lang namin na pa-design na. Pero all the woods, halos, yung dati, yun lang yung ginamit namin. Walang nasayang.
Oo,
Sa ating-
lahat na gamit. And even ba yung mga furniture ng bahay na ito, sir, na
Pero ilan?
iilan?
Ilan?
Like ito.
This is original.
Oo, sabi na eh.
So, yung half moon na yan. Tapos nagiging tatlo siya. Tapos halos lahat ng gamit, hindi naman karamihan ng gamit sa presidential suite, dito din galing.
Nice.
Pero karamihan po talaga nung more than half, bukod dun sa bago, more than half po galing sa bahay po ng lolo't lola. Pete Tenko, Jose Tenko, and Sinaida Tenko, which is also, yun na, yung kamag-anak na to.
Maraming salamat ulit.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, yung bahay na pinuntahan natin the last time, ang Dr. Santos Heritage House, na isang art deco, ayan dito lang siya, malapit. Halos katabi lang ng bahay na ito, ng Palacio Real de Santo Niño, no?